I open them pages, they talk to me.
Come on now, brew, walk for me.
Urban gorilla, that sauce on me.
Yeah, I was shy, pay the cost on me.
He the boss man, he got up on that cross for me.
He the boss man, he got up on the cross for me.
He the boss man, he got up on that cross.
Yeah.
I open them pages, they talk to me.
Come on now, brew, walk for me.
Urban gorilla, that sauce on me.
Yeah, I was shy, pay the cost on me.
He the boss man, he got up on that cross for me.
He the boss man, he got up on the cross for me.
He the boss man, he got up on that cross.
Brotherhood of like generally black and Latinos, right? And that's cool. I just wanted to have a nice conversation. What is that? Sikari. What does that mean, sir? What does Sikari mean? Dagger. Yeah. Oh. Are you? Is your faith Muslim, Christian? What?
Not Muslim.
Okay, Christian.
Not Christian.
He mentioned God a lot.
Yeah, we're not Christian.
Are you guys cool with my hands in my pocket?
That's fine. I'm sure I'm fully.
No problem, me either. I just stood the police off for an hour and a half and I got it on video.
Where you from?
I'm from Brooklyn.
Brooklyn Report.
Bensonhurst, Bay Ridge.
No, you was going to say Bensonhurst.
Bensonhurst, Bay Ridge, Cypher Heights. Also, I lived in Queens.
What's your ethnic background?
I never met. I told you I said I don't know my father. I think I might be Belgian, partly, but mostly
Belgian?
Belgian, I think some Belgian, but he said like white devil first.
Okay.
But here's the thing. Listen, a lot of shit, bad shit has happened forever. I try to tell your friends. My family won't even talk to you because of fucking Trump, right? Because of this bullshit, right? Because it's racist bullshit.
What's wrong with Trump?
I hate his guts. He's a racist thief.
Why would you hate Trump?
Why? Because he's the most corrupt individual.
Are you kidding me?
You like Trump?
The most corrupt?
You like Trump?
So there's nobody more corrupt than Trump?
No, you like Trump? Please don't tell me you like Trump.
I don't like any white people, but here's what I'm saying.
But listen, I got you. Hold on to it. Why? I didn't do nothing to you. I never did nothing to you. You're not me.
You're in Puerto Rico, man.
Okay, and I own a business.
You said,
and I own a home.
Even where he owns a property in Puerto Rico.
And a home.
He's making money in Puerto Rico.
No, I'm actually losing money.
Oh, praise to the Most High.
That's right. Right. Awesome. But here's the thing. There's the Condado Lagoon over there. Guess who cleans it up?
Who?
This guy. Right? Stop. Not done yet. Not done yet.
Get used to it.
I put the trash. Listen, I painted the graffiti because nobody. You guys want to do something effective? Stop the graffiti.
No, the graffiti
you want to do
is
something
art.
effective?
That's art.
Get rid of
That's expression.
Brother,
that's how brothers express themselves.
Property.
Who gives a God? This ain't private property. This is Taino property.
No,
this is Taino property and Taino property only.
That's right.
No, you don't, because you're a property owner.
Oh, guess what? I studied it because I don't go into places uneducated.
But you
know
still
what?
bought property here, right?
Of course, because I want to be part of a community. And you know what? If you look me up, real easy to find. Google bike rents where I'm #1.
Okay.
Right? Bike rent Puerto Rico, Condado Tourism Center. What I do, I hire local. You guys are going to hate this. Guess what? I hire gays. Google Gay Pride Puerto Rico. My client is #1. You hate that too, right? Why do you hate people? I don't hate you. Why do you hate me?
Why can't you? Don't I have a right to hate?
You do. You can hate me if you want.
There we go.
That's cool.
That's it.
That's cool. That's cool.
I just want to exercise my rights.
To hate.
To hate.
But I feel bad for you. Listen, the Dalai Lama told you, he said if you...
The Dalai Lama doesn't care about black Hispanic people, bro, so I don't care about the Dalai Lama.
Honestly, dude...
Why people talk about the Dalai Lama like he's just a symbol for peace and
I
hope?
care.
He's from a war.
I care about
He's not stopping no
everybody who ain't trying to hurt nobody else, who wants to do the right thing. I got your back. That's it. Very, very simple, right? That's how it is, right? I will engage. I got no problem with it. I'm glad to have an interesting conversation with interesting people. I don't agree with what you're saying.
Of course
right?
not.
But it's okay. But I'm just telling you, you're all young men, right? Young men, your hate ain't healthy, right?
It is healthy.
Figure out a way.
Very healthy.
Figure out a way. Figure out a way. Sir, may I speak? Figure out a way to take this passion, this energy.
We've done it already.
Right? Do something productive.
We've done it already.
Raise money for people.
We're doing it.
Put housing down.
We're doing productive
Show
things.
me something productive, I'll help you.
We're doing productive things.
And say you don't hate
and
me.
we don't want your help, and we still hate your guts.
Okay,
go ahead, Bryce.